Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to make text bigger on the Snapchat. So if you want to make the text big on your Snapchat, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and log into your account. After that, you have to record a video, or you can simply click a picture like this. Once you will do it, after that on the right top you will see text. Simply you have to write any text, and once you have done, simply tap on it. Once you will do it, after that you have to select the custom sorry you have to select other text format, and you can adjust with your hands like this. As you can see, my text is big now. So this is the way you have to do to make your text bigger on the Snapchat. So hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.